Hey guys, this is Cougar 1107, and I think these stray dogs around here must really like our dog, but this one, oh, he's whimpering. This little baby's hungry and he's cold. He just keeps coming around here, and he's really cute, aren't you? Oh, I'm sorry, we'd let you in, but Mom says we can't. I'm so sorry, baby. Oh, come here. Let me love you.
You'll pee on everything.
Yes, boys pee on everything. Whoa, I almost fell over. What a good baby. How long do you think he's been on the streets?
I don't know.
I haven't seen him around here before, and since he's got that collar and his fur looks pretty clean, he may be recent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This thing is like a cat. He likes cuddling against my legs. Don't you, baby? What did Mom say we'd do? Call the pound?
I don't know.
It's a lot better than him being roaming around here on the streets. He'll just starve.
He probably wants her because he can tell that there's work to do.
Come here, baby.
Come here, boy.
Come here. Shimmy, he's not doing any harm. Alright? I know he's on your territory. Why does he keep coming around here? Because Mom gave him a treat?
No, she started loving him. She picked him up and started petting his head. And he's like,
Oh, he just wants love. Oh. It's getting more windy. Oh, I can't stand to leave him.
it's okay, why are you not? You can stay.
You can stay. I wish if we still had that door to the mudroom, we could just keep him in there for a bit. I mean, it's not like Mom would actually care if he peed on that carpet. Everyone wipes their shoes on it, for crying out loud. It's a mudroom. Hi, baby. Good baby.
Look at me.
You're a good baby. Yes, you are. You're adorable, too. Oh, my gosh. It's really windy. Your poor baby's going to freeze. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, what a good boy.
Oh, he wants some love. He'll pet his bum.
Oh. Oh, he just looks exactly like Chiquito, just younger and brown.
Oh.